Hello friends. Glowing Star. In today's video, we're exploring super useful kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier and more fun, all available on Amazon. From time-saving tools to clever organizers, these must-have gadgets are perfect for any kitchen. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find your favorites. Enjoy the video, and let us know your top picks in the comments. Cooking Sparkles. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it to be the first to see our new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Next, Food Kitchen Scale, a digital kitchen scale with high-precision sensors, providing accurate measurements for ingredients. With a sleek, easy-to-clean surface and tare function, it's essential for portion control and precise baking. Next, Batter Dispenser, a mess-free batter dispenser designed for easy portion control of pancake, cupcake, or waffle batter. Featuring a no-drip spout and measurement markings, it ensures evenly dispensed portions, making breakfast prep easier. Next, Strainer Basket, a versatile strainer basket for rinsing fruits and vegetables or draining pasta. Designed with fine mesh for effective straining. It has sturdy handles and is heat-resistant, allowing it to handle hot and cold foods with ease. Next, Sandwich Maker. Make cafe-style sandwiches at home with this easy-to-use sandwich maker. With non-stick plates for hassle-free grilling, it cooks sandwiches evenly, creating crispy exteriors and warm fillings. Compact and quick heating. It's great for busy mornings or lunch on the go. Next, Vegetable Washing Machine. An efficient vegetable washing machine that cleans fruits and veggies with powerful water circulation. Ideal for removing dirt, pesticides, and impurities. This compact device is easy to use and ensures your produce is clean and safe. Next, Cutting Boards. High-quality cutting boards in assorted sizes. Ideal for all your slicing, chopping, and dicing needs. With non-slip edges, these boards stay stable on countertops, while their material resists staining and knife marks, offering long-lasting durability. Next, Automatic Pot Stirrer. This automatic pot stirrer frees up your hands while cooking, perfect for stirring soups, sauces, or custards without burning. With adjustable speed settings and a rechargeable battery, it provides consistent stirring and is heat-resistant, making it a reliable kitchen helper. Next, Ox Stand Mixer. A powerful stand mixer that combines efficiency and versatility for baking and cooking tasks. With multiple speed settings and a spacious mixing bowl, this mixer handles kneading, whipping, and mixing with ease. Comes with a dough hook, whisk, and beater attachments, perfect for everything from bread dough to cake batter. Next, Silicone Lids. Stretchable, airtight silicone lids that fit a variety of containers, keeping food fresh and preventing spills. They're dishwasher safe and reusable, perfect for storing leftovers and reducing single-use plastic. Next, Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Stylish, battery-operated salt and pepper grinders with adjustable coarseness settings for perfect seasoning. One-touch operation makes them user-friendly, while the LED light illuminates your food for precise seasoning.